Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you earn free Sweatcoins on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here in this sign. So you click in this sign down here. So then when you click in this sign here, it's going to take you in this list. Then all you have to do, you just go above this sign here and up, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Just go above this sign here and up, click on it, and you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on Switch Coin bonuses here, and you come to this list. Just click here on earn free Switch coins here. Just click on it here. So then when you just click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. Then here can you add this games here or for app or web. Then when you just install it, then it's going to get with you these coins here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.